Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to set up the personal hotspot in this device. So before set up the personal hotspot, we need to insert the SIM in this device, and after that we need to enable the mobile data. For this, go to settings, tap on connections, and here you can see the option data usage. Tap on this one. Need to enable this one, mobile data. Okay, now go back. Here you can see the option mobile hotspot and tethering. Tap on this one and turn on this option mobile hotspot. Okay, now tap on this option. Here you can see the network name and the password you can see. So you can edit the network name and also you can edit the password. So here I am going to change the password. Yeah. Tap on save. You can see the password is changed. So here I am going to connect my this hotspot to this device. So here I am going to turn on the Wi-Fi in this device. Wi-Fi and turn on. Now just wait for a few seconds. Yeah, you can see the name of the personal hotspot that we created. You can see here. Tap on this one and here we need to enter the password. After enter the password, tap on join. Now you can see it's successfully connected. And here also you can see one device connected. Right, so simply in this way you can set up the personal hotspot in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.